Yeah, it's still raining, mate. I'm already here in Salamander Shopping Center and McDonald's. I am tempted to eat in McDonald's, but I'm still full. I eat soup at home and bread. And we're going inside here because we are going to Kmart to buy a heater, mate, because it is very cold. Yeah, look at that. The McDonald's there is inviting me to get inside, but maybe later. Yeah, that's getting strong. Feels good here. It's warm, not very cold here. Very warm, nice feeling here. Here I went to that Specsavers. They have a 50% sale on their eyeglasses. I also went to one of the optical shop in there like 2 weeks ago. I asked them if I can possibly have eyeglasses just for the protection from the computer, because I've noticed that in this previous weekdays that my eye is soaring, I mean painful when I'm staying so many times in the computer. Yeah, but they said that I need to go to the process of, you know, prescription, eye testing, things like that. Yeah, let me show you the basket where I bought my basket for the bike. It is here in the home area. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah, if you see, it's like this. Yeah, like this one. And it's just $5. Came from inside and I was looking for the heater, and then I didn't found it, and I asked the lady, yeah, where's the heater? She said it's just sold out an hour ago. An hour ago. I'm too late. Yeah, let's check here. Maybe they have nothing very special. Mostly are for kids toys and this equipment. Oh my, they have this rain jacket or pants, just $14. I have already arrived yesterday, Mike. Yeah, just $14. The one that I bought from Anaconda is $24, and actually the original price was $49, but because I am a member, I mean I registered online in Anaconda, and it gives me 50% discount. Yeah, look at this, just $14. Oh, too late. Look at this. These are alcoholic beverages. Sometimes I am tempted to take one, but I don't drink, mate. Yeah. Yeah, I am sometimes tempted to drink alone, but I don't drink, and I don't like. It's very bitter, mate. Sushi. Yeah, the only hope I have is in Walmart. I hope they have I hope they still have this Cambrook heater. This one. Yeah, this one is 2000 watts. But it's $30. And the other one is $20. Which one I'm going to take? The cheapest one. The cheap one. This looks the same. Okay, now I understand the difference. The $30 one is oscillating. As you can see, oscillating ceramic heater. And this one, the $20, is not oscillating. Yeah, so it's not oscillating. Yeah, we're just walking around, so you know, just the time pass by. Oh, look at this. This is the tasty cheese. I tried this before when I went to, where's that? When I went to Tea Garden. Yeah, look at this car. They are giving it away for free. Yeah, not for me, because I don't know how to drive. Look at this bed. Where are you going to sleep if your bed is like this? No more space for you. Some shop are still open. I'm just sitting here because I am waiting for the time. The bus that is going to my house, to the apartment, will be leaving by 6:30. I just came from the ATM. I took some $250 for the house rent. I can see that there's one bird that is injured. His wings is loose somewhere there already. Look at that, the bird is back. I will show you this. Yeah, his wings is broken. I don't know if it's going to survive. Yeah, mate, I'm going home now. A lot of people are queuing for the drive-through McDonald's. McDo. In the Philippines, we called it McDo. Where are you going to eat? Sa McDo. Okay, I'm home now. Let's unbox this heater. Okay, so this is basically a heater. 2,000 watts power and adjustable thermostat. Manual, styrofoam, and this is the unit. No more inside. If you remember last time when I went to Apollo Bay, I bought a heater for Kino and for John, which is just $15 from Big W. Yeah, the same size. And they said that it's still working until now. It's been a year because, yeah, it's more than a year because I went to Apollo Bay around April. Yeah, April 2017. Yeah. So, you know, in the Philippines, heater is not very common. Yeah, because it's very hot in the Philippines. Hot, humid. Actually, electric fan, air condition are very common. But heater, no heater. When I was still in the Philippines and I saw this I saw my housemate before in Mandaluyong City. He is in the US now, and during the time I was in the Philippines, no, I was in Dubai, and he is in the US. And he said that it's very cold in the US, it's snowing. And I asked him why you are wearing just t-shirt, and he said that because they have a heater at home. That was the first time that I learned the heater. Yeah. Heater. Yeah. So, and then when I went to Europe, we stay in one of the house there in the house of our friend, which become our friend. They also have the heater. And that's the first time I've seen a heater. Yeah. And it's big. Something like that. And when I come to Australia, this is the first time also that I got to see a heater that is sized like this. Okay, let's try to open this. Okay, it's plugged in. Yeah, I can feel it. It's warm. And at the moment, it smells like plastic. Then I'm going to close the door so that the heat will not get out, or the cold will not get in.